Hi, I'm Marc Belaiche, co-founder of Guhuza. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very high-level demo of how the platform works. So on the left-hand side in this video, you'll see the employer's view, and in the right-hand side, you'll see what the candidate would see. So on the employer side, you would log in to your account. Fairly straightforward, nothing too fancy about this, especially if you're familiar with how to use job boards and so on. Not that Guhuza is a job board. And you would go into, you'd see your tiles, and in this demo I'm going to show you how the main part of the platform works. So you would go into your jobs, you can see your different jobs, you can add a new position. When you click on add a new job, it will take you to a screen where you can put in the title of the position. You can either upload the position or you can copy and paste it into the system. Now, as we keep adding improvements, making improvements to the platform, you'll see some different features and perhaps some different layouts. So when you get to this page, you'll you'll put in the job title, keep the job title generic, and then you can click and drag the job title in there. Now, for purposes of this demo, I'm going to show you this customer service specialist position. You will go into what's called our lobby area. So you've uploaded the job, and you go into the lobby area. Now, the goal of Guhuza, just like Uber, where Uber you put in a destination of where you want to go, you click a button, somebody shows up. With Guhuza, you upload a job, you click a button, and candidates show up for interviews. So at this point, you've done step one, which is upload the job description into the platform. Step two, you click find candidates. Now, once you hit find candidates, our system searches within milliseconds and identifies the best matched candidates, and I call this the Shazam effect, because within milliseconds, Shazam, on the right hand side, candidates that are matched for the position get a message on their device, whether it's an email, push notification to the app, or text. So in this case, you'll see it's a text message that they received. Guhuza found a great customer service position for you. Now, that email, that text message as well, can be modified any way you want, so it could be tailored to your needs. So the candidate will click on the link, check out the customer service specialist position. They can see the job description that you have filled out on the left hand side, or initially when you uploaded the job. And if they're interested, they can either join the waiting room. Not interested, click to refer a friend, and there's another option here, which is I'm interested, but I'm just not available right now, which doesn't show on this video. So in this case, they're going to join the waiting room. On the left-hand side now, for the employer, for you as the recruiter, you will see candidate has joined into the platform. And from here, you can click on the candidate's profile to get an idea as to what their situation is. This is all just dummy data, but you'll be able to see some information here. You can start the interview from here if you'd like, but before that, you probably want to check out the candidate's resume. So you can see the candidate's resume, you can see that they're a good match for the role, and this is all, by the way, while the candidate's waiting for the interview here to start. They're sitting in the lobby, and on the right-hand side, they're waiting for you to start the interview. So if everything checks out, you can click on Start Meeting. As soon as you click Start Meeting, on the right-hand side, the candidate gets a message notification saying the interview has started. On the left-hand side, you're going to be checking your camera and settings, audio, video. On the right-hand side, the candidate is going to be doing the same on their device. And before you know it, the two people are connected live on the platform. The interview can be recorded as well. And as more candidates are pinged, and as more candidates accept the invitation, they'll start popping into the waiting room here for you to interview. So that's a quick rundown of what Guhuza is all about. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Marc Belaiche. I'm co-founder of Guhuza. Thanks for watching.